My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the new adware called SustainableLot. SustainableLot stands for a new adware that may attack Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers. This SustainableLot adware, once installed, starts to display pretty junk advertisements randomly on the screen. If this SustainableLot adware was found on the computer somehow, make sure you get rid of it immediately, otherwise it will keep disturbing you greatly with its multiple ads. SustainableLot adware needs to be removed, so right-click on it and move it to the trash. If you see anything else that is suspicious, get rid of it. To make sure that your Mac is free of other infections, consider scanning it with Combo Cleaner. By going to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install it, and then start carefully researching the system with its help to detect and remove other infections. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.